Hello again. A breezy Thursday for northern parts of the UK mainly, and variable amounts of clouds sinking south across the country with, well, some light rain, but not an awful lot. It was a much more unsettled picture earlier in the day for the north of Scotland. That very wet and windy weather has moved away. Some showers to follow. Still strong winds here with the risk of gales in exposed locations. But main area of cloud affecting Northern Ireland, western and southern Scotland, northern England, North Wales. Well, that will bring some outbreaks of mainly light rain and drizzle, and particularly for western Scotland and northwest England. Another area of cloud sinks into southern England, again with one or two spots of rain initially for South Wales, then into the southwest. But otherwise a lot of dry and bright weather, a slice of sunshine there, bringing the highest temperatures into parts of East Wales, southeast England, say 22 or 23 Celsius. Much cooler there in the north of Scotland, where we've got the blustery conditions, and the cloud thickens across northern parts of the country overnight with some spells of rain pushing into western Scotland and the far north of Scotland, followed by further damp weather for Northern Ireland and northwest England. Further south you are, the clearer the skies will be, the lighter the winds will be, and hence the risk of some fog patches by dawn across southern parts of England, although by dawn they may lift into low cloud. A fresh start to the day for central, southern and eastern parts of the UK. Any low cloud clearing and then sunny spells for many southern and eastern parts. But to the west we've got this cloud pushing in from the Atlantic, and where that's thick enough, and especially over Western Hills, Snowdonia, Pennines, western Scotland, where we'll see some light rain and drizzle at times. But it will be brighter to the east of the higher ground because the cloud will be broken up by this gusty breeze, and it will be a blustery afternoon for many. Gales in the north once again in exposed spots, and the wind bouncing over the Pennines and the Highlands to bring some particularly lively winds to eastern parts of the country. But where we get some sunnier spells to the south, a touch warmer compared to Thursday, 23-24 Celsius possible. The mild weather continues heading into the weekend, and if anything it turns even milder by Saturday and Sunday. A lot of cloud though, and that cloud will continue to push in from the Atlantic because of these weather fronts and the general westerly airflow. But you can see this mild air coming in over high pressure to the south, and that mild air will affect many parts of the country through Saturday morning. So not a chilly start, but it will be a grey start in many spots with some mist and low cloud, some hill fog and coastal fog in the west. Further outbreaks of mainly light rain and drizzle, but fairly persistent there for western Scotland, one or two spots elsewhere. A few light showers perhaps later in the south. But on the whole, it's a fairly settled day with a lot of cloud cover, the best of any cloud breaks in the east. And a quiet one, but a mild one. I think temperatures once again reaching the low 20s, perhaps even a bit higher in one or two spots. We keep this broad, warm sector across the country on Sunday, perhaps a few showers emerging from the near continent during the afternoon. But a marked change into Monday. This active cold front will bring some heavy rain in from the west, followed by much cooler conditions to start off next week. Much more as ever on social media, but that's all from me for now. Bye-bye.